To teach you common and neutral nouns, two parts of gender noun, yes or no? The first one is common noun or common gender. We write common gender to make it different. Common gender, it can be both male and female. It can be both male and female. For example, we say that student. A student can be male or female. Yes or no? Yes. Or we write doctor. A doctor can be male or female. Or a teacher. A teacher can be male or female. Or we have, for example, nurse. So a nurse can be male or female. So common gender, they indicate to both male or female. It can be a male or it can be female. Like this example, student, doctor, teacher, and nurse. The second topic that I'm going to teach you is neuter or neutral gender. Neutral gender, they indicate to none of them. None of them, it means that nor male, neither female. Look, so they indicate to nor male, neither female. They can be none of them. How? Like a chair. For example, we've got what? Chair. Is it male or female? No. Mr. Sanif, male or female? Chair. Female? No? Okay, so, or we have, for example, desk. Or we have class. Understood? So they indicate to none of them, means that they can be nor male, neither female. Now, noun is finished and we come to personal pronouns. Especially, we want to talk about subjective pronouns. The first type of personal noun is subjective pronouns. Subjective pronouns. If we define subjective pronouns, what do we say? We say that subjective pronouns are used instead of subject. Very easy definition. Look, subjective pronouns are used instead of subject. To bring an example, we say that Ali plays hard. Instead of Ali, who is the subject, we said he is a good player, for example. A good player. Instead of Ali, what did we use? He. So Ali was the subject, yes or no? Yeah. We used he instead of Ali, yes or no? Which is subject. Now, they are I, we, you, they, he, she, and it. They are called subjective pronouns. Let's analyze. I is the first person. I is the first person. We is the second person. Okay. No, it's also the first person. I'm sorry. It is the first person, but what? Second person. What about they? Third person. What? Plural. And he, she, it are third person, but what? Singular. For example, with I, what to be verb do we use? We use am. I, am, yes or no? What about with we? Are. What about you? Are. What about they? Again, we use are, yes or no? So what about he, she, it? He, she, and it, we use is. So let's make some sentences and let's know that what pronouns can we use instead. Okay. For example, we say that. Some more examples. We say that Ali and Adi are students. Are students. If we use pronoun, we say that Ali and Adi, what can we use? They or you? We use they. We use what? They. No. Okay, next one. If we say that Zahra plays a lot. Plays what? A lot. Instead of the word Zahra, what can we say? She. We can use what? She. Very good. If we say that I need a chair, yes? I need a chair. Now, instead of chair, if we use pronoun, what pronoun can we use? We use it. We use it. Or if we say that we need Ali, instead of Ali, what can we use? We can use he or him. He. We can use him. We can use what? An object, yes or no? So, we will study, yes or no? And another example, we say that, for example, we say that Ali and I are students. So, instead of Ali and I, what can we use? We can use what? We can use we. So this is subjective pronoun. Look, subjective pronouns are used instead of subject, and they are I, we, you, they, he, she, it. I is used for first person, first singular person, the first one, the speaker. For example, I am the speaker. Look, I am the speaker. So we is plural. Imagine we have 2, 3 people here. Then we said that we are the speakers. You is the second person. The second person means the one who listens. You're listening to me now. You're listening to me now. I am speaking to you and you're listening to me. You're listening to me. Look, you're the second person. You can be the second person. And what about he, she, it? They're third person but singular. What is the meaning of third person? Third person means the people who are not here. Look, he is a good boy. Not you, not me. He teaches English. She comes on time. They are the students. If they are singular, we have to use he, she, it. And if they are plural, we can use they. Understood? Yes. So this was subjective pronoun. Subjective pronoun. Subjective pronouns are used instead of subject. For example, Ali plays soccer. He plays soccer. Ahmad teaches English. He teaches English. Or we say Mr. Ihsani comes on time. He comes on time. You is always the second person. You are good students. You come on time. You listen to me carefully. You're good boys. You pay attention to the lessons. You write homework. You can explain the lesson, etc. And they is used instead of 2, 3, 4 names like Ali, Mahdi, and Ahmad are good students. They are good students. The teachers like Mr. Muhammadi and Mr. Nurid teach in Apex. They teach in Apex. Instead of 2 names, especially the third people, we use they. And instead of a name like female, instead of Zahra, she, instead of Mahdi, he, and instead of a thing, like instead of the marker is blue, it is blue. Okay? Instead of the things, we use it. If the things are plural, again we can use they. For example, chairs are a lot, they are a lot. A chair is blue, it is blue, means it is singular, the plural form is they. He is singular, the plural form can be they. She is singular, and the plural form can be they. It is about subjective pronoun. Please take a note, and I will be teaching you objective pronouns. Thank you.